our front row for this POV on Toutatis, and off we go. It's our first ever ride. Oh yes! Oh, I've missed that Intamin launch since I was on Turren. Oh, that's good. Here we go. Yes. Oh, the air time's crazy. Yes! Oh, the hang time! You have had a jolty ride, I'm sure, on the camera there, but wow, what a ride!
Can I go on that again on single rider, please?
That is a good roller coaster.
That sounds like vertical.
That is definitely top 3. Probably top 2.
Dude,
We need some more rides. Oh my god, it's so good.